What's up guys, today we're going hiking. I am just getting ready for my hike. I just put on my outfit. I'm doing all black, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and drink my oxygen and my creatine. I missed my creatine yesterday, which is the first I've ever missed it from I started it. Yeah, I'm just gonna film the creatine portion of my TikTok because I'm also making a TikTok. This is like my daily routine, so I'm gonna be more to over here because I'm doing a TikTok, but you'll be able to see me as well. Let me see. Turn. That's good. But yeah, we are going to Egg-Glass.
So right.
What is that?
Nice.
Oxystrade. Oh shit, I forgot to say we're going on a hike in my TikTok.
You guys say
And
go
it will
to
be done. Come, I already put them here over here. So. Today we're going on a hike. Hope that did sound alright and not too, you know, yeah. Say it again. Today we're going on a hike.
Spring water?
Hope this is water. Alrighty then. You ready? When we done? So when you bring my bag, what me bring? Hmm? What is it?
The video one shot.
Huh?
The video one money place in there. The got promotion.
Did I drink it tea?
Hot.
So yeah guys, wow, what am I not near so? Like what?
Water, see water there, 3 back of water, 4 back of water.
In a bag? Are you gonna walk it there? So we have the Apple Watch, and I'm just getting some stuff put in this bag so we can get going. It's already 12 o'clock, and you know hike is normally an early morning thing, and I'm an early morning person. But this wasn't planned, so we just had some breakfast and then we're gonna head out. May I go with this? This is not hiking stuff.
People have a protein bar when you walk.
No, it's not a protein bar. It's a sugary stick.
A protein?
It's not a protein bar. Something with sugar for give energy. It's not that. I'm telling you, I'm the workout person. Anyway. Alright, so hiking essentials, we have water, and I bought a non-slip shoe yesterday at Skechers, and I got this bag and it's perfect for hiking, so why not bring it? 3 waters, but I don't want to drink too much water because I already just took my oxygen and my creatine. I don't want to be on the hike and want pee-pee. I have these 2 pure proteins, which are protein bars that I got from Sam's Club. I think that's the name of it. I have these peanuts. Don't know how long the hike is gonna be, but yeah. And I have 2 Nature Valley crunches, and I think that's all. Am I missing anything? I also have this Instacart 360 that I'm gonna use to get some 360 views. We've had this camera for a while and I've never really tried it on a hike, so excited to see that. And that's, oh, I also have these Ray-Ban glasses that can be used for recording. So I have a lot of recording devices, and I also have my phone and I have my camera right here for YouTube. So let's go. And the most important thing, I have my Apple Watch because I don't want to miss these steps. So yeah, let's go hiking.
What trip tonight?
But nah, bring no unhealthy trip. Then no way I go with Lays. You're crazy. This bag heavy. We are heading up the mountain to start the hike. Alright guys, we're about to commence our hike. I'm gonna start my Apple Watch. Let's go. Milestone 1 completed. Oh, that's cute. Milestone 1 completed. We are about to take on another part. We did a little bit of jogging, well, 1 minute of jogging before we reached here. This is the first fall, so we're gonna take on another trail now. This is so fun, freeing. We on. This is so nice, I love it. Alright guys, we are not even 1 mile into the second trail, but this one is very inclined. As you can see, we're sweating, we're tired, but we're at another fall, so milestone. This is a half of a milestone-ish, but let's keep the party going. My thirsty, my lip them dry me. It's setting in. It's setting in. But we're going. Say yay! Where's my team? Health and Fitness All 2025! Woo! We've been a go round bend. Alright guys, we are 50 minutes in. And
how many minutes?
We're thirsty. 50 minutes in, and this is saying we're 1.2 miles uphill, but I don't think the watch is accurate because it's because I'm walking slow, it's not getting the miles. Well, I don't know, but I don't think the watch is accurate because I run for 15 minutes at the gym. Well, maybe it's accurate because I walk slow because we're going uphill, but you know, we're burning more calories and it's more difficult because we're going uphill. So don't let the 1.2 miles fool you. And furthermore, if we are 1.2 miles uphill, that means we're also 1.2 miles from where we started, and we have to cover that to go back down. So we'll basically be 2.4 miles if we stop right now, but we're not stopping right now. Wherever we are on the watch, we're gonna have to do that same amount to go back down. So it's really hard. I feel like, yeah, we're gonna do more than that. We're gonna do 2 hours if we do 1 hour going up. It's too hot for this. This should be an early morning cool breeze thing. It's really hot, man. But yeah, but it would have breeze, would have cool. It would have humid. We want to take off my shirt right now. Anyway, this is a, my sure said this a intent. Me not even talk straight. This intensity is definitely hard.
It's good though.
It's very challenging, but we're going. So we have 9 more minutes uphill and then we head back down. Haven't seen any bears, thank God. And I haven't drank. What's the English? Me don't drink no water yet because me don't want to get no stitches. So me still all off, so I'm thirsty. Me feel like if me drink water I'll feel better, but I don't want to drink any water and then stitches hold me, because stitches hold me on the treadmill at the gym. I don't want that. So until I'm going back down, I'm not gonna drink any water.
Comment on the weather. Comment on the air. Yeah, fresh.
The air is fresh, but it's definitely too warm for this. It's too warm for this hike. I think this is a 6 a.m. hike. Come back by 12 when the sun is out. I must drop Sharika Bokar 2 or 3 times. Wow, it get cooler though. That air they cool just now. Alright guys, I will see you at the next milestone. Sharika give up. She done. She said she done.
Sharika, you're afraid. You just have to give up. Come on, let's get behind.
Heading back down at 55 minutes. Basically a 2-hour walk. 1 hour hike uphill, steep incline, very inclined, but I would recommend it. I would do it again. I would just walk with some cold, icy cold, what you call it again? Icy cold energy drinks, yeah. An energy drink would do me well right now. An icy cold one. Yeah, I would do it again. Well, yeah, guys, it was a good walk. We're gonna tackle it again.
The tree, Tory. Come back the
Take
tree.
a picture with the tree now?
No, use a stone and mark the tree.
You think it's stone go up here when you come back?
No, the tree, look.
You go right, funny?
Yeah,
erosion is real.
Eh?
Erosion.
No, man, for the tree, man.
So mark it, funny now?
That tree, that tree.
I corner tree you should have used. Quite easy if you remember say tree in one corner.
Right.
But yeah, guys, that was good. How much would you rate the hike?
10.
Can't see one thing.
Sorry. See that?
The camera you have a...
Sure. S for sure. And the T for Tory.
So, believe I can see that next time?
Tory, come here, come with this.
We're marking the spot. X marks the spot. That's us. Mile markers, so you can at least be motivated.
Sure.
Say, alright, 1 mile gone.
They don't put like 8 miles. Wow.
And you know you can look out and you can...
Yeah, but then should have put the 1 mile mark, you know, like when you do a 5K and then say you just run 1 mile, you just run 2 miles, so you know.
Waterfall, 8 miles, but that's all. You know, it's a waterfall, the waterfall is so small.
How much you rate it, Shaquille?
We like to 8 because the leaf them drop off.
Intensity.
Intensity? You don't feel on it. You move.
I think this intensity is hard. Sharika, how much intensity?
Shaker was in just for the party.
Is it good?
How hard was it?
Never too bad.
Was it too bad you give up?
Was it moderate or hard?
It's alright. It's good.
Oh, it never hard for you?
No.
Oh wow. Never expect me to hear that still. Alright guys, we're heading back down.
Option to buy, cop on the 5 pins when I'm not. One for the sky, one for the lie. With my twins, I'm in the Benzito with my Kiko from Queens. The king, where he go? We go back like DAs, wearing PJs.